So today we are going to discuss about define prime number and composite number. So here the difference and here the example, and this is a book of 6 and there is very clear defining about prime and composite numbers. So a natural number which has only two distinct factor 1 and number itself is called a prime number. So the prime number is the number has only two factors. The one factor is 1 and the other factor is number itself. Like the example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. So if we divide the 2, so 2 is the number which divide itself either or 1, because not any other tables 2 is coming. So 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, these are the numbers which are the prime number, because these numbers have only two factors, 1 and number itself. Like the example, there is 23 and 8. So 23 is a prime number and 8 is not a prime number, because 8 has more than two factors and 23 has two factors. 23 has two factors, one factor is 23 itself and 1. 23 has two factors 1 and 23, so 23 is prime number. 8 has four factors 1, 2, 4, 8, so 8 is not a prime number. That means 8 has four factors, 2 divide 8, 8 divide 8, 1 divide 8 and 8 itself divide 8, so it means 8 has more than two factors. And define composite number. Now we have understood that what is the prime number. Now we are going to define a composite number. A natural number which has more than two factors is called a composite number. That means a composite number is the one that has more than two factors, like a 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, etc. So have more than two factors. Obviously 4 has more than two factors. One is of 1, 4, 2. It means there are three factors. And 6 also, 6 has more than two factors. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, and 6 1 the 6 and 1 6 the 6. So it means there are three factors. Identify the composite or prime number with the reason. 8, 17, 9 and 5. 9 is composite number, 8 is composite number, 5 is prime number and 17 is prime number. Why? The reason is clear here. 17 has only two factor and 5 is only two factor, but 9 and 8 has more than two factors. That's why these are the composite number. Number 8 composite number and number 17 prime number. Number 9 composite number, number 5 prime number. Why? Reasons. Here are the reasons you can see. And the other thing you can notice is 1 is a factor of every number. Why? Because if we divide any number by 1, the remainder will always be 0. And it is clear from the following examples. 1 is a factor of 5, 1 is a factor of 8, 1 is a factor of 104. So it can be 1 is the factor of every number. Why? Because 1 divide a number completely and we get the remainder as a 0. 1 is a factor of every number because it produces 0 as a remainder.